Welcome back to another GeekAWhat video, and today I'm taking you over the best $700 gaming PC build for 2016, and more specifically the months of March and April. So make sure to drop a like rating, follow my Twitter at GeekAWhat, and to subscribe. But without any further ado, let's get straight into this PC build. So regardless of the price, parts, video upload date, I always get asked, how will this build perform? This build is a 1440p killer and even a dabbler at 4K, meaning you can even do a bit of 4K gaming on this beast of a PC. It really is capable of the latest AAA titles and also with incredibly high frame rates in the slightly older, more popular titles such as World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Minecraft and CSGO. Without any further ado, let's start off with the CPU. The CPU I've gone for is the AMD FX 6300. It's a 6-core CPU and it comes clocked out of the box at 3.5 GHz. It's a great overclocker, but you aren't using a third-party aftermarket cooler, so overclocking isn't something you're going to want to do and account for too much, given the nature of the build. 6 cores could be seen as overkill, but it's great for gaming and even alright for a little bit of editing and a little bit of streaming. For the motherboard, I went for the MSI 760 GMA-P34FX. It's a Micro ATX AM3 Plus motherboard, which means it's got the AM3 Plus socket for the FX CPUs. It's got USB 3, SATA 3 6GB per second, allowing you to supplement the fast SSD transfer speeds, and it's also got PCIe lanes for your graphics cards. For the memory, I went for 2 4GB DIMMs of Kingston HyperX Fury RAM. You can get it in white, black, red or blue, completely your choice. There's a white one in the list by default, and DDR3 1600MHz speed really is more than enough for gaming, with DDR4 posing no significant advantage at the current time. For storage, I went for an SSD and a hard drive. A 120GB SSD, in my opinion, is a bit on the low side, so this 240GB Kingston SSD Now V300 series 2.5-inch SSD is a great option, giving you plenty of room for a copy of Windows, a load of your favourite games, and a load of schoolwork. For mass storage, though, for the bulk of your movies, music, games, I've got the Seagate Barracuda 1TB drive. You can also go for the Western Digital Caviar Blue. Both perform about the same, but this Barracuda was cheaper, and I've never had a bad experience with one of these drives. 7200 RPM is as fast as hard drives get, consumer hard drives get, and a 3.5-inch form factor is the standard size. For the video card, I went for the Gigabyte Radeon R9 390. Gigabyte's version of AMD's R9 390 is a great option. It's got an 8GB frame buffer, great for those higher resolutions, namely 1440p and 4K, and is a really solid choice as well. One of AMD's new 300 series of GPUs. The case I went for was the NZXT S340. In my eyes, one of, if not the best case of 2015, so great job NZXT. I've gone for the plain black model, but you can get it in black and blue, black and red, black and green, or also white. The power supply I went for could be seen as overkill, an EVGA 600B 600W 80+ bronze certified ATX power supply, and breathe. All jokes aside though, around the name, 600 watts is more than enough with a 469 watt TDP of this build, and the 80+ bronze certification guarantees that it will perform above 85% efficiency at 20, 50 and 100% load scenarios, not to mention it is also great value. That wraps it up for this build. If you enjoyed, drop a like rating, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate your support. Drop any comments, questions or queries in the comment section below, and if it gets a bit gnarly down there, head over to Twitter at GeekAWhat and drop me a line there. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next GeekAWhat video.